Oh, I gotta go to a Beekeepers Anonymous Club tonight. Yeah, I don't always like doing that. Have to meet all those beekeepers and talk about how beekeeping does, how we're supposed to take care of bees. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Go out there and admit that you're a beekeeper and you spend all this money, and wow, it just keeps right on going. It's called more bees. Yeah, that's right. If you're a beekeeper, you got to get more bees, and yeah, it's a lot of work. And they keep making more bees, and I have to admit that I'm a beekeeper. I'm a beekeeper. Oh, I don't know. Look at them things. They're not even flying. It's too cold today.